Good morning, friends. How are you? I hope you are all well. I am Professor Vijay Thange and I welcome you all in special English class. I'll be dealing with the special English 1 papers. And you are well aware that from last year onwards, Savitribai Phule Pune University Pune has implemented choice-based credit system. That is also called as semester pattern. And you are well acquainted with that pattern. That is 70-30 pattern. 70 marks weightage is for university written examination at the end of each semester, and 30 marks weightage is given for internal exam evaluation, which will be taken in college itself. As you are well aware that this is choice-based credit system, there is slight change in the title of our papers. Here on the screen also you can see the title of our paper is Appreciating Drama. It is discipline specific course and the code of our paper is DSC 1A. Today in our lectures we will see the syllabus of this paper, Special English 1 paper, Appreciating Drama. This one is drama papers. As you know very well that drama is an age-old form of literature, and you may have seen several plays in Marathi, may have read some plays, may have seen the performances of some plays. In this paper also we have to see 3 plays, 3 drama we have to take into consideration. We will see the syllabus of these papers. This one is semester 3. Last year you had undergone semester 1 and semester 2, and this one is your semester 3. For these papers we will see the course content. Unit 1 is there, you can see on the screen, Theory of Drama. In Unit 1 we have to see drama, the literary form. What is drama? The origin of drama. What is the significance of drama as a literary form? These things we will see. Then the next subtopic is drama, the performing art form. In this subtopic, we will see how drama is different from fiction. Drama and fiction, these are generic terms. Drama is basically meant for performance. It is the performing art form. And in this subtopic, we will see how drama is different from fiction. Then the next subtopic we have to take into consideration, that is the elements of drama. We have to see literary elements, theme, plot, characters, diction, conflict, setting, etc. We have to see in literary elements. What is the significance of theme, plot, characters, dialogue in drama, that we have to take into consideration. The next subtopic is theatrical elements. The elements which are useful in the performance, that is stage directions, light effects, music, costumes, stage property, makeup, etc. These theatrical elements we will see one by one. What is the significance of each theatrical element? Then we have to see the types of drama. There are several types of drama. Here we will see what is tragedy, what is comedy, what is tragicomedy, what are problem plays, what is absurd drama. We will see the definition of each type of drama, and we will take into consideration the examples of each types of drama also. The fifth subtopic is an introduction to minor forms of drama. That is, minor forms of drama is one act play. Last year we have seen one act play in our additional English subject. Then skit, what is the importance of skit, street plays, a short radio play, pantomime. These things we will take into consideration in the fifth subtopic that is given under theory of drama. And then after studying all these literary elements related with drama, we will see one play that is written by a very famous dramatist, world famous dramatist William Shakespeare, and the name of that play is A Midsummer Night's Dream, which is a very famous play written by William Shakespeare. That we will see. These topics will be there for semester 3 as far as our special paper 1 is concerned, and at the same time we will see what kind of evaluation pattern will be there. That also we will take into consideration in this lecture. In each semester we have to earn 3 credits. There are 3 credits for teaching. Each credit is equal to 15 hours. So this course shall have 45 teaching hours. In addition to that, there shall be 3 hours allotted to internal evaluation, as I told you that there are 30 marks for internal evaluation. And that internal evaluation will be conducted into 2 parts. Those 2 parts are practical examination for 10 marks. And what kind of practical examination we will have? The practical examination aims at testing practical applications of the course content. That we will have that practical examination of 10 marks. In that we will have group discussion, seminars, project presentation, literary work, oral examination. About that mode of evaluation I will tell you in detail in some of my further video lectures. And as far as written test is concerned, for 20 marks, 10 marks are for practical examination, and I'll conduct one midterm written test of 20 marks. That written test will be based on our play, that is William Shakespeare's play. We will have A Midsummer Night's Dream. On that we will have 20 marks written test. So I hope in today's lecture, this was of course introductory lectures. In this introductory lecture you have understood, you may have understood, I hope, that what kind of syllabus is there and what we have to study. In theory of drama we have to see literary elements which are related with drama, and one actual play we have to study, that is written by A Midsummer Night's Dream, written by a very famous dramatist William Shakespeare. Today we will stop here, and in our further lectures we will start with the theory of drama. So thank you friends, take care, stay home, stay safe. Thank you very much.